Talan, what do you think for dinner? You think that'll be enough steak for you?
No.
No? You want more?
Yes.
How does it look?
Yum.
Well, I hope you're hungry. Let's go ahead and put it on the grill. What do you think?
Let's break down these Tomahawk steaks today and see what all the fuss is about. Despite technically being the same steak cut, there are key differences between a tomahawk and a traditional ribeye. The tomahawk is typically cut according to the thickness of its rib bone. That's generally about 2 inches or more thick. You can expect to spend an average of about $100 or easily more on a quality tomahawk steak. And the reality is that you're paying for a considerable length of bone. There are other things to consider when pricing a tomahawk. There is the added work for a butcher to French the bone, and also, remember, they're not going to be able to sell those ribs separately now. If you end up investing in a high quality piece of meat like this, you're going to want ingredients that bring it up, not mask it. So we're going to keep it really simple. We're just going to salt it some more, flip it over to salt it, add some salt, and a little bit of pepper too. Why not? Since I'm working with such a big boy today, I've decided to go ahead and start it off in the oven until it reaches an internal temperature of 120 degrees Fahrenheit. After which, I'm going to finish off over charcoal. This area right here, I blocked this off to make it look like the shape of the tomahawk. That way, when I'm searing, all the heat is concentrated in that one spot where I need it. My coals are hot. My steak's at 120. Let's get to searing. I don't know about y'all, but the flames add awesome flavor. This is a little technique where I brush it across the grates and anger the coals. I love it. It gives it a better sear that way, I feel.
We reverse seared it in the oven, and then we finished it off on the charcoal over really hot coals, right? This meat, now obviously the bone is kind of coming off the meat. This meat that is attached to the bone, I like to cut it out and then run off into the corner where nobody can see me and just cower and start eating it like a dog. Because this is the best part, I believe, right here. But anyway, also the spinalis dorsi. But the real question is it worth the big bucks? This one is actually American Wagyu. So my guesstimate is it's a hybrid between Angus cattle and Wagyu cattle from Japan, which I think is a really good combo. So we're gonna go ahead and dig in. This is the first tomahawk. It's essentially just a very expensive ribeye. Very expensive because you're still paying by the pound. And this big 8-inch, 12-inch, 6-inch, sometimes bone that's sticking out, it's all about the aesthetics because you're paying for this weight that you can't eat in addition to the weight that you can eat. So you're really just paying to say you ate a tomahawk, to eat a tomahawk because it's kind of trendy, or just to enjoy it. But really it's a ribeye with a lot of stuff uncut and all this yummy rib meat. You ready? Let's give it a shot.
Looks sharp.
I hope so. All right, so we're gonna cut it off from the spinalis right here, one of my favorite parts. Looking yummy, okay. 2 halves. One for my king, one for a servant. You ready?
Oh my
Holy
God.
cow!
That tastes like food. No.
It's funny. It tastes unbelievable. I can honestly say that this is probably the tastiest steak I've ever had. But not because it's the Tomahawk steak and the way it looks. And I think it's the perfect pairing of cows because it's not too rich and it keeps coming back for more. A lot of umami in it too. Is it worth it? Just go ahead and get a boneless ribeye, 2 inches thick, cook it like you saw me cook it, and well, it's gotta be Wagyu. But if you can find prime, it'll be pretty good too. But yeah, cook it like I cook it, and you'll save yourself a lot of money not buying this bone. So we're gonna go ahead and devour this, right?
Please.
We're gonna go and do that and let you guys go. Thank you so much. Say thank you, folks.
Thanks for watching. Thanks,
Talan. We'll see you guys later. Please subscribe, like us. 4, 5. Hold on. 7. Wait.
Yes, sir.
How you doing? Remember me, Dennis? So we got Tomahawk, delicious ribeye, except I still have the bone I kept. This weighs about 1 pound. Here, I'll take it out to show you. And, well, I'm a really good customer. It's a huge bone, it weighs about 1 pound. And I was wondering if I could trade this in and maybe get one of your prime ribeyes in place of it. Because it was about $39 a pound. What do you think?
Sounds accurate. Do you have a receipt with you? Because I don't do returns.
Well, my receipt is right here. How's that look?
I mean, I'd be happy to take care of you. Let's get a weight on that.
Yeah? All right, let's do it. 1/2 pound.
1/2 pound. That's a big difference.
All right. So can you hook me up with maybe like I don't know.
The closest thing we have to that.
Let's see. Can I see?
3.8 pounds.
Yeah. 3.8. Let me just see this, and let me see this real quick. All right. So
He's selling you up.
This is what it looked like, and this is what it looks like now. I couldn't gnaw it all off. So
I think that should take care of you.
So you can give me about 1/2 pound of meat with this? Trade it in?
We'd love to take care of you.
This is why this is my favorite place. I love this place.